Hello guys and welcome back to the video. In today's video, I will show you how to check website data in the Safari app on your iPhone. Without wasting any time, let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. After that, scroll down and tap on Apps. Now find Safari and simply tap on it. Here, scroll down again and tap on Advanced. After that, tap on Website Data. Now you can see all the websites storing data on your iPhone through Safari. So that's it for this video. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful iPhone tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.